Hey guys, this is Sean with District Landscapes. I just wanted to record a short video for you guys from my home, updating some big improvements that are coming that we're rolling out starting this month. I'm also sending out an email that will have all these changes as well. But I just want to take a couple seconds to connect with you guys because I know that we don't always get opportunities to connect with you. So we are improving the monthly garden maintenance program a lot this year. And there are three big updates that are coming again this month. So the first is our new client portal. So each of you will have a personalized portal. We are partnering with Stripe. You'll be able to log in, view your past bills, view your upcoming bills, change your payment method, and have a lot more clarity. So you will have a dedicated client portal that you can see your billing up front. I know that's something that a lot of you guys have asked for, and we have actually partnered with Stripe. So you can find that by visiting our webpage, districtlandscapes.net. And there should be a tab up there that says client billing. In the email that I also sent out, there's a link there that links directly to the pay.districtlandscapes.net link that when you log on, you'll be prompted for your email. Each one of you, we've created a page for you, and that will reflect your actual billing info. The second big change, the second big improvement that we're making is automated service notifications with our partner, Yardbook. They will be sending out texts and emails before and after each service visit. So we want you to have a clear sense of when we're going to come and also when we've already finished. So Yardbook will be helping us to send out those notifications to you so that you always know when we're about to come, when we come. If there's a weather delay, Yardbook will help us push out faster notifications to you. The third big change, big improvement coming to the monthly garden maintenance program is going to be, we are expanding our in-house team. I'm going to have other contractors working alongside me that I'm going to train. They're going to be trained on the particulars of each one of you guys' properties. I'll walk them through, show them how to do everything, but this is going to help us to stay on schedule. So we don't want those dates pushing back. We really want to honor the timeline that we're supposed to come. So in the coming months, you're going to see me on your property alongside some new contractors, and we're going to be walking them through and training them on the District Landscapes standard that you guys have come to expect. So just wanted to take a couple of minutes to reach out to you guys. Thank you guys for being District Landscapes customers, and announce some big improvements and updates to the monthly garden maintenance program. As always, if you have any questions or concerns and would like to reach out to me, you can do so at our company number, 202-3884-9802. Or you can send me an email at sean@districtlandscapes.net. So thank you again, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thanks, bye.